Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have admin access, so start now by opening your Facebook page and clicking Settings. Once done, navigate to Page Visibility or General Settings to find the option to unpublish or temporarily disable. Make sure you back up any posts or messages you'll need later, because unpublishing hides content from the public. You should also alert co-admins so no one is surprised. Acting immediately prevents accidental changes while you prepare the rest of the process. Now you'll unpublish the page. Go to Settings, then Page Visibility or General, and choose Unpublish Page. You may be prompted to confirm your identity, complete two-factor authentication, or email verification if requested. Once verified, review scheduled posts and remove or reschedule them because they may still attempt to publish. Confirm the unpublish action and wait for the system to process. You'll see a confirmation banner. When the page is no longer finish by verifying the page is hidden, view it as public or log out and check. If it's unpublished, you're done. To republish, return to the same setting and toggle Publish Page when ready. If you don't see the Unpublish option, clear your browser cache, try a different admin account, or use the Facebook mobile app. Sometimes interface differences hide the control. If problems persist, submit a support request with a screenshot to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.